it down one more level. Alright, we got one more little section here to talk about. We're looking at comparing functions using average rates. And when we talked about comparing functions using average rates, we're looking at the same interval here, the same interval, and over the same interval, the average rate of change for a quadratic is a lot more than lines. So quadratics increase more than lines. And then exponents, or exponential functions, increase a lot more than lines or quadratics. And we saw that in the graph. That one got a lot bigger, a lot faster. So in order to do this, we're actually going to need a couple examples here with some graphs. So I'm going to go ahead and drag those over here. And let's take a look at a couple examples when you do this. So now we're looking at these two charts, which are talking about two social media websites which are opening their memberships to the public. In part A, we've got a chart, and in part B, for website B, we've got a graph. What we want to do is part A of this question asks us to predict the rate, or actually calculate the average rate of change from day 10 to day 20. So for what we'll do is we'll look at day 10 to day 20 here. So part A for website A, we actually have like the points 10, 1400 and 20, 2150. And if we remember, when we calculate the rate of change, we change of y over change of x. So we would go ahead and take 2150 minus 1400 and divide that by 20 minus 10. Change of y minus change of x, which gives us 750 over 10, which is 75. And then let's go ahead and look at B. Well, B, we're actually going to have to look at the graph. So on the graph, it looks like it's about 10, 850, and 20, 1800 are my points. So again, I've got my 2 points, 10 and 20. Let's go ahead and look. Change of y, 1800 minus 850 over change of x, 20 minus 10. And those numbers give us 950 divided by 10, which is 95. So which one's bigger? Website B. So basically what we'd say is, for part A, we would say that website B increases faster. Increases faster. And then question B says, predict which website will have more members after 50 days. Well, if we look at the end here, we see that at day 25, this one's at about 2400. This one is at 25, so they're about the same, but which one increases more? Website B increases a lot faster. So I would say, which website will have more members? B, because it is increasing faster.